Hi friends, in this video we are going to deal with the important judgment titled as The State of Kerala and Others versus Leesamma Joseph, pronounced on 28 June 2021. This judgment deals with the right of promotion under Persons with Disabilities, Equal Opportunities, Protection of Rights and Full Participation Act 1995. To know about the synopsis of the case, please watch the video fully. The facts of the case would be that Leesamma Joseph, the respondent, who suffered from permanent disability of 55% on account of polio, was appointed as a typist in police department on compassionate grounds after her brother had passed away during service. She raised a claim that she was entitled to promotion as a senior clerk with effect from 1st July 2002 with all consequential benefits, and as a cashier with effect from 20th May 2012 with all consequential benefits, and thereafter as junior superintendent with effect from the date of her entitlement. The Kerala Administrative Tribunal rejected her plea, stating that the rule of recruitment in the state of Kerala, general rules and other orders issued by the government under Section 32 of 1995 Act did not provide for any reservation in promotions. Later, the Kerala High Court set aside the decision of the Kerala Administrative Tribunal. The learned counsel for state, the appellant, argued that though undoubtedly the respondent suffered from physical disability, she was not appointed through a recruitment process under the 1995 Act, but was appointed on compassionate grounds on the demise of her brother, a different channel of recruitment. It was thus submitted that she could not claim any right to reservation in promotion under the 1995 Act. The issues discussed in this judgment are whether the 1995 Act mandates reservations in promotions for persons with disabilities, whether reservation under Section 33 of 1995 Act is dependent upon identification of post as stipulated by Section 32, whether in absence of a provision in the rules for reservation in promotion for persons with disabilities, whether promotion can be denied to a person with disability, and whether the respondent can be promoted by giving benefit of reservation as she is a person with disability despite the fact that she was not appointed in the person with disability quota. The Supreme Court has held that mode of entry in service is not a relevant criteria for promotion under person with disability quota. A person with disability would be considered for promotion along with other persons working in the feeder cadre. The mandate of Section 32 of 1995 Act enjoins the government to identify posts that can be filled up with persons with disability. Thus, even posts in promotional cadre have to be identified for persons with disability, and such posts have to be reserved for them. The identification of such posts is a prerequisite for reservation in promotion for persons with disability. There cannot be methodology to use to defeat the reservation in promotion. Once that post is identified, the logical conclusion would be that it would be reserved for persons with disabilities who have been promoted. The absence of rules to provide for reservation in promotion would not defeat the rights of person with disability to a reservation in promotion as it flows from the legislation. The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment in the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Government of India has undertaken a very comprehensive exercise of identifying posts which can be reserved for persons with disability, and the list of such posts are available on the website. From that, it appears that the post of cashier would be amenable to reservation for person with disability, and thus there can be little doubt that the respondent has been capable of discharging functions of the promotional post and thus could not be denied the benefit of reservation even if rules do not provide for any reservation in promotion, as repeatedly observed by the Supreme Court that Section 32 of the 1995 Act is to facilitate but not to impede the legislative mandate. It would be discriminatory and violative of the mandate of the Constitution of India if the respondent is not considered for promotion in the person with disability quota on this pretext. Once the respondent has been appointed, she is to be identically placed as others in the person with disability cadre. The 1995 Act does not make a distinction between a person who may have entered service on account of disability and a person who may have acquired disability after having entered the service. Similarly, the same position would be with a person who may have entered service on a claim of compassionate appointment. The mode of entry in service cannot be a ground to make out a case of discriminatory promotion. Thus, the Supreme Court has issued the directions to the state of Kerala to provide for reservation in promotion in all posts after identifying said posts. This exercise should be completed within a period of 3 months. Friends, to conclude, in this video we have seen about the right of promotion under persons with disabilities, Equal Opportunities, Protection of Rights and Full Participation Act 1995 as per the state of Kerala and others versus Leesamma Joseph case. In the next video, I will see you with yet another case synopsis. Until then, I take leave of you. Bye.